The whole reason was to keep the environment safe and to make coatings that were safe for your kids, for your family, that everybody could use. My name is Dorinda. I'm the owner here and the formulator at the Crystal-Lac Company.
I'm David Shepard, CEO of the Crystal-Lac Company.
We specialize in water-based coatings that are non-toxic and easy to use. Crystal-Lac started back in the 1950s when my dad went to paint and coating school. He made paints for all kinds of companies.
Derek wanted to use his education to develop a water-based, non-toxic, eco-friendly line of products.
We give you high-quality products that are sourced from the best materials.
We understand how difficult it can be when transitioning to a new company or a new type of product. We pride ourselves on having a top-notch customer service team. We have the Crystal-Lac Academy.
We have several online communities to help you learn how to use our products.
To make your transition from oil and solvent-based products to water-based products as easy as possible.
We care about our products so much, and we care about you as customers. We're here to help you learn how to use our products safely and to have a lot of fun doing it. Come visit us at our store in Mountain City, Tennessee, or our online store at crystallac.com.